In this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple and easy way to make glitter buttons. Let's take a look at our supplies. I'm going to be using an 1¼ size button machine, one ordinary piece of printer paper with my designs printed out on it, and Elmer's glow-in-the-dark glitter glue. I'm going to be using glow-in-the-dark glue for my project because I want those green sparkles that are going to complement my design. We're going to start by placing a dollop of our glue in the middle of our design. Take your finger and gently spread the glue to cover entirely. When we are done with this step, we're going to place our paper aside. It is very important to let it dry completely. Next, I'm going to take my circle cutter and cut out each of my designs. Your paper may be a little wrinkly, but don't worry, that should not affect the final outcome of your buttons. Before we make our buttons, we are going to take our designs and uncurl them with your fingers before they go into the machine. Lastly, assemble your buttons as you normally would with your machine. Now we've got some buttons with a little extra flair.